Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Chief Electoral Officer Jongka Jilla Meghalaya, Dr. BDR Tiwari, haka Arpundri Urisau Arhatar Arpulau la pentim, kat kumka electoral roll batmai, kabalapan kre na katunan election Jongka Sorka Jilla, ka Jingdon Jongkinong tap vote habarok kawe ka Jilla Meghalaya kilong, Arpuway lang Prapundri Hajar, Shispa San Puwengun. Haka jingagram ikla patai kubor Chief Electoral Officer ulai thu habashim jingken na ka election shaka yingdar bar thawan Jongka Jilla kabala long haupnai rempang Arhatar Arpulai ka Jingdon Jongkinong tap vote kalong Arpolak Prapway Hajar Sanspa Nyo Pongun bat tang hakini ki kendiat benai ka Jingdon Jongkinong tap vote kalakiu shaka Arpway lang Prapundri Hajar Shispa San Puwengun bat kani ka peni ba ka Jingkiu Jongkinong tap vote kalong da shilang Saw Hajar Sanspa Prapwengun Shushu lai thu ba ka Jingdon Jongkinong tap vote shinrang kilong shipolak Prapway Hajar Nriungun kat ba ki kenthai pat kidon khatway lak San Hajar Shispa Sapu Arngun Kibadan haka kam shakri sarkar kilong lai hajar praspa sapu prangun bat ki transgender kidon laingun. Ulai thu ba haka arpunyotrik urisau arhajar apulai ansapen mi ru yaka draft electoral roll bat haka jukapor la kerpat baladadon ki badang kwa ben pendrung kerteng bat ban ujuar ki kerteng kan long nadu ka arpunyotrik urisau arhajar apulai hadu ka khandai trik unok pra arhajar apulai. Kajing pendrung ni kajing weng kerteng na ka electoral roll kan long haka arpunyotrik unok pra arhajar apulai.
With respect to 1st January 2024 as qualifying date. So schedule of Special Summary Revision 2024 has been given by the Honorable Election Commission of India, and as per the Commission's existing policy to conduct the annual summary revision with reference to the 1st January of the coming year as qualifying date in the later part of each year in all state UTs, normally in the last quarter of a year. So final publication of draft roll is made in the first week of January of succeeding year. So this year on the 29th May, ECI has announced elections special summary revision of ERs with respect to 1st January 24 as qualifying date, and it helps in the two parts, some pre-revision activities and post-revision activities. So under the pre-revision activities from the month of June onward till mid of October, so it comprises training of EROs, AEROs and booth level officer on the laws and guidelines related to electoral roll, and training on the latest IT application and system, house to house survey by the booth level officers, rationalization and rearrangements of the polling station, and preparation of supplements and integrated draft roll with reference to 1st January 24 as qualifying date. So all these activities has already been conducted in the state. So as per the special summary revisions schedule, so draft roll will be published tomorrow on 27th October 23. So the period for filing of claim and objections will be 27th October 2023 till 9th December 2023, which will be Saturday. During this period, there will be two special campaign dates on 11th November and 18th November. Both are Saturdays. So on these days, BLOs will be doing the special campaign on the polling stations. So checking of health parameters and obtaining of Commission's permission for final publication. The date will be the 1st January, and prior to that, on the by 26th December 2023, all claims and objections are supposed to be disposed of. So that is the last date of disposal. So final publication of electoral roll will be on the 5th January 2024. So this is the total schedule, and as on today there are some figures. It will be press note will be shared with you, and some data has been given. As per the draft roll which is going to be published by tomorrow, we are having 21,86,000 151 voters. In this one, there are 10,81,006 male voters, 11,05,142 female voters, and 3 third gender voters. And total service voters we have 3,848. So till date, 100% EPIC has been distributed. And EP ratio as on 5th January 23 is 645. And gender ratio in Meghalaya in electoral roll is 1022. So we have 3,482 polling stations. So after rationalization during the pre-revision activities, there are 32 new polling stations have been proposed and 2 polling stations have been merged. So total number of the polling stations as on 27th October, it will be 3,512 right now. So there are 5 type of forms for the claim and objection. So for new voters, they have to apply in form 6. That is very important. And for the inclusion of name in electoral roll by an overseas Indian elector, they have to apply in form 6A. And letter of information of Aadhaar number for the purpose of electoral roll authentication. Then form will be 6B form will be used for that purpose. And for that objection for proposed inclusion or deletion of the name in the existing electoral roll, especially it is known as for the deletion. So form 7 will be used. And for the shifting of residence, correction of entries in existing electoral roll and replacement of EPIC, marking of PWD, etc. So form 8 will be used for that purpose. So anybody who is going to have 18 year or age, or they want any correction or deletion in the electoral roll, so there are online and offline, both modes are available. In online mode, there is a voter portal of ECI. So anybody online open the portal and apply in that, and its link is https://voters.eci.gov.in, or our Meghalaya CEO's website is also there, through which any claim and objection can be filed. So its link is http://ceomeghalaya.nic.in, or there is an app also has been developed by ECI. That app is Voter Helpline mobile app. So through this Voter Helpline app, anybody can file claim, objection, or any queries related to electoral roll. But the traditional mode of filing claim and objection during this period, the offline mode will be available. So there are the BLOs, booth level officer, for each and every polling station. So they will be during this period conduct this exercise. But simultaneously forms will be available with the electoral registration officer or ERO for each legislative assembly constituency, or in the office of district election officer also. So whoever is going to have claim and objection, they required 3 documents. One is the proof of residence, second will be proof of age, and third will be 1 photograph. So we already had a meeting with the political parties on 25th of October, yesterday. So the schedule has already been briefed to the political parties and they have been sensitized. And from the end of political party, they have to appoint booth level agents from their end. So who are expected to be present on the special campaign date at the polling booth, and they have to assist the new voters from their end also. So this is the schedule, and for the special summary revision, and then draft roll which will be published with the function, it will be circulated.